Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Spring Porter with Spring Solutions LLC. In this video, I'm going to be providing you with 10 more questions answered. This is a part 2 to the one that I just submitted. These are questions that come up all the time. I'm going to be providing you with those answers to those questions in one centralized video. I apologize that I've been away. I had a wisdom tooth pulled, which is always fun, and I'm just now actually able to sort of not be in pain and sort of talk. So here we are. Hi everyone, thanks again for tuning into my channel. So as I mentioned, this video is providing you with more answers to the top 8 questions that I get. Just today I got 2 separate phone calls with, I promise you, the same questions. So I just wanted to come on here and answer them and put them in one centralized video. The first questions are pertaining to my course. What are the differences between the two? I do have a video describing that. And what's listed in that. I'm going to post that up here. You can take a look at that. But essentially, a $500 course is the traditional way of doing things. That's where you're reaching out to clients. They want to work with you. You send them a contract. They send it back. Then you submit everything to the court on their behalf. And then the courts will send you a check. You take your part out. And then you submit the remaining fees to your client. Case closed. That's the traditional way of doing things. The non-traditional way is a $250 course that I created where you are reaching out to potential clients. And these are in areas where you don't have to be, or you have to be a lawyer, or you can just be the individual that is getting the money back. So you're filling in the documents for that particular debtor for a 10% fee. So you're giving them the documents, and then they are submitting everything to the court, and then they're giving you the 10% up front. Okay, so that's basically what I created. It's very non-traditional, but it does work. I have shown you my own examples from both of the courses that it does work. What's included in the course? 10 lessons for each one. I give you the background information, how to find the leads, who to call, how to actually fill in the documents. I walk you through a perfect case scenario from beginning to end. And that's basically what's not included on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel gives you, general information, background information, but the specific information on how to fill it in, what to write, that is in my course. What makes me different than other teachers? I've gotten that question too. I suppose it's just probably my background. Me working as a legal assistant, and then actually a secretary first, legal assistant, and then paralegal, actually filling in the bankruptcy petitions to the court. So I know what they were looking for. That's something that I learned working for attorneys. And then years later, just recently, I was working as a bankruptcy specialist from the creditor side. So I have both debtor side experience and the creditor side, which gives me a very unique perspective in terms of dealing with bankruptcy unclaimed funds. And I think that makes me unique with my background in doing this particular job. And then I'm more hands-on. My company is smaller. I think I probably do need to have a virtual assistant or someone helping me, but I'm more hands-on. I have clients or students that reach out to me in the middle of the night via email. Hey, Spring, what about this? And I email them back. And that is the way that I like it so far. It may not be like that in the future. I may have to expand and, get help. But for right now, this is what makes me different. Can you work off the course payment? Some people reach out to me. They want to start, but they don't have the money right away. I don't really do that just yet. I may offer partnerships later. But what I'm finding out that people are just wanting to get a deal. They're just wanting to get the money, but they're not learning the full process. If you reach out to me, you find someone, and I do the paperwork, you're not going to understand exactly what it is that I did to fill it in. But that is what you're learning in the program and in the course. So the course is really getting you what you need done, getting you what you need to know. And that's really all that I can say for that. If you don't have the money right now, just come back when you really do. I'm not going to offer any discounts as of right now. My course is reasonably priced, to be honest, compared to other programs. How do you get paid? All of your deals, the payments are going to come from the U.S. Treasury Department. And you can get that in electronic fund transfer, or it will come to a check. How much can you make? Again, that depends on you. What percentages are you charging? Finder fee rules, again, as I mentioned, are not located in the bankruptcy code, so it's up to what you and the client agree to, and what deals you're going after. How many people are you reaching out to? All of that will determine how much money you're going to make per month or per deal. Can you hire a virtual assistant? Yes, you are. Yes, you can, rather. You're going to have to train them on what you want them to do. They have to be well versed in bankruptcy and finding lists and things like that. But for sure, that can work for you if you want it to. I hope that this is providing you with answers. This is helpful to you. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.